This semester, we were approached by the 621st Contingency Response Wing to aid in communicating their surroundings. Specifically, their early site teams needed a way to improve communication and visibility of austere mission locations so the larger response team could understand the conditions of the environment prior to arriving. The surveying phase was split into 2 parts, a 4-hour data collection period and a 20-hour analysis period. Their goal was to accelerate the overall process.
Initially, our team leaned towards a hardware solution. Given our SWE's experience in ML and AI, we started by proposing a drone. However, we quickly learned that the manual DCP process was too dynamic to develop an automated process. After learning that the first 4 hours were the most critical for the team, we continued to focus on hardware by exploring DCP alternatives. Although we found existing smart DCPs, we were still held back by the equipment's heavy weight and travel restrictions. After conferring with our sponsor and our end users again, we finally realized that a software solution would be the best way to ease the data collection's pain points.
In the current process, civil engineers record the data from hundreds of DCP handwritten on paper. They transfer this handwritten data to Excel spreadsheets, which are later loaded into PKs for analysis. The Howling Raven Pro strives to eliminate the intermediary steps. Through its simple and clean UI, users can easily add and edit DCP data on their smart devices. The app already has the Excel formulas programmed in, so there's no need to juggle several devices. When finished, users can transfer the final data to their laptops using Bluetooth and save the records to the Wings database.
Although the contingency wing only surveys a few landing sites per month, the Howling Raven Pro can be easily scaled up to other wings and divisions in the military. Thanks to Firebase, the backend can easily support thousands of additional landing site candidates per month for very little cost.
Overall, the Howling Raven Pro's hi-fi prototypes and proposed backend have received positive feedback from both sponsors and end users for their easy-to-use UI and cost effectiveness. Moving forward, we'd like to finish implementing the app for smartphones in the spring semester to further reduce the cost.